I will move on to describing the U-Series. The U-Series is a built-in 5-axis multi-face machining center, standard equipped with a large tilting rotary table. Despite its compact width, the machine provides an ample jig mounting area of 500 mm in diameter. The U-Series is an effective machine for machining large aluminum workpieces that require multi-face machining, such as EV gearboxes and aircraft parts. In addition, the U-Series can machine medical parts, such as implants with curved surfaces, accurately at high speed using simultaneous 5-axis control. I will now describe the large tilting rotary table. The U-Series is equipped with a tilting rotary table where a roller gear cam is used for the A and C axes, which is the greatest feature of the U-Series. Since the cam follower is always in contact with the cam surface, there is no backlash. This achieves highly accurate machining and long service life without deterioration in accuracy over long periods of time. In addition, short indexing time leads to high-speed indexing, which is not possible with a worm gear type, contributing to high productivity. I will now describe the product concept of the new S-Series and U-Series. I will begin by describing the development background of these new products. Looking at the automotive industry, the shift toward EVs is accelerating year by year. Major parts have become large, and materials are shifting from steel to lightweight materials such as aluminum. In addition, as functional parts are integrated, complex shape workpieces that require inclined holes or multi-face machining tend to increase. At production sites, user needs are becoming more diversified and workpiece life cycles are becoming shorter and shorter. To catch up with these, the trend toward variable-type variable volume production is growing, which can handle a range from mass production to multi-product small-volume production. Therefore, there is a huge demand for equipment that can achieve process integration or highly versatile equipment. In addition, greater emphasis is placed on the energy-saving performance of the equipment in response to climate change issues and rising energy prices. To flexibly meet these changes in the market environment, the new S-Series and U-Series provide a wider machining area and higher machining capabilities than previous models. New models have been developed to further expand the applicable range of conventional BT30 machining centers. There are 3 product concepts. First, expansion of the machining area by extending Y and Z-axis travels. Second, higher speed of the standard spindle and higher rigidity of the high-torque spindle to strengthen the spindle lineup. Third, reduction in power and air consumption to further improve energy-saving performance. With these concepts incorporated, the S300XD2, S500XD2, S700XD2, and U500XD2 have been released as updates of the previous models. These are the U-Series specifications. X, Y, and Z-axis travels are 500 mm, 450 mm, and 380 mm, respectively, with Y and Z-axis travels extended like the S-Series. The A-axis can be tilted up to 150 degrees, 30 degrees to the front and 120 degrees to the back. The spindle specifications can be selected from 12,000 revolutions per minute and 16,000 revolutions per minute. Target workpieces of the U-Series are die castings and other workpieces that require multi-face machining. For automotive parts, the U500XD2 can achieve process integration for machining workpieces of 300 to 400 mm in length, such as EV gearboxes, wheels, and steering housings. In addition, the U-Series can meet the multi-face machining needs of various industries, such as aircraft parts milled from billet, bone plates, and artificial knee joints in the medical industry.